Hey guys, how you doing today? Bitcoin Kid here, March 18, 2021. Welcome to the channel where I keep you updated on the latest cryptocurrency events, and I go over my strategy on what I'm doing to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I also am now doing some leverage trading, which I'll kind of go over with you what I'm doing with my leverage trading, doing 10x trading on BitBuy. So again, if you guys are new to the channel, please like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get the latest videos that I put out there. Again, that's it. So guys, welcome. All right, let's get this started. Bitcoin broke 60,000 K again, Mark. Back down to 58,000. It had reached an all-time high this week of 61,788. We are on our target to see that 75,000 Bitcoin I was predicting by the end of March. Okay, here's some news. The mayor of Miami is proposing to allow residents to pay taxes with Bitcoin and for employees to receive their salaries in Bitcoin. The mayor wants to be known as the most technology forward city in America. That's amazing, right? Keeps adding to what we were talking about, the complete adoption of Bitcoin as a cryptocurrency. Again, we're seeing a Bitcoin rallied after Morgan Stanley said that their customers can buy Bitcoin. Morgan Stanley controls about $4 trillion of their clients' assets, and they're now they're launching 3 funds that will allow their wealthy customers to buy Bitcoin as well. Value warns shocking tax changes could be coming to Bitcoin, crypto, and gold investments. That's why I continue to repeat what Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, basically says, that to not sell your Bitcoin, to hold it, keep hodling it, and as it goes up to a certain amount, if you really need to take money out, to take a loan off it, because then that way you can avoid paying the short-term or long-term capital gains tax. So if you have like 3,000 or 4,000, some of these exchanges like Coinbase or Nexo Wallet, they'll allow you to take at least like a $2,000 loan or something. Maybe Nexo Wallet, at the time was 500. I think they raised it to 4,000, but hopefully it'll go back down to 500. So you have to have at least like 900 to 1,000. Then you can take a $500 loan out, and then now you'll pay interest on it. But guess what? You're still holding onto your Bitcoin, so you're not selling it. You're getting access to it. You're gonna pay a small interest rate, but it's better than paying 10 to 50% in short-term capital gains tax. Just depends on your tax bracket. But that being said, I'm following what a billionaire says, so I'm going to go with that and continue to move forward with that. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you a little bit what I'm doing with the leverage trading, and I'll go over some trades that I'm doing right now and what's happening, good or bad. I want to show you guys so you can learn from my mistakes. All right, stay tuned, guys. Thanks again. Hey guys, how are you today? All right, so I'm in this trade right now, 59,420. I bought into it. I'm 10xing. Did about $75, so I'm at 700. So I'm trading with $759. And as you can see, to the right of this number of 759, to the right, see that number going up? That means that my dollar amount is going up. And let me show you. Click on the bottom right, assets. It's going up 79. I was at $75. Now it's going up to 79. Okay, I have here a stop loss. Let me put in this trail. I'm going to put this trail stop at about 150 because I want to keep my profits. So as soon as it goes a little bit lower than 150, it'll close me out. So that way I can keep my profit, because I'm basically 200 above what I initially bought into. And I like to keep those profits. Sometimes you can even close out. Manually, but you see I'm going up right now, so that's why I don't put in a take profit here, because that way I just put in the trail stop right here. That way I keep making profits. So you see, so my profit's going up. Okay, so I made about like $5 so far. So my trail stop is, I'm gonna recalibrate this again to 100. Get done. That way I think I'm out. Yeah, it sold me out. So look, so I profited, I'm up. It sold me out $100. So I want to keep my profits here, and who knows that this number can go down. So I'm basically, I just made like, $4 or so, and I'm out of it. And you just kind of keep doing this method. Basically what you do is you reset this, and I'm over here, take a look at that, I'm doing 10x. I can do that more, but I'll leave it 10x is fine. And I'm looking at the number to the right here, which says 59,611. And if you look further to the right in yellow, that's these two numbers. There's a little flag and a little whatever the bookmark is. Those are indicators of if it's going up or down, so you can base. So if you see that number going up, then this number that's turning yellow, red and green, is going to go up or down depending on this number to the right. That's what at least I'm learning now. So I'm using it as an indicator as to where this is. So you see this is starting to drop. So I will wait a little bit just to see where this is going. I could probably, if I really wanted to see if I can catch something, I'll probably put this in at 58,000, maybe 800. I'll do 100%. So I'm buying at 771. I'm going to click buy long, confirm, and we'll see. If I get down there, it'll buy me in, and then we'll ride it back up again. But if you can see at the charts here, see this green mark over here? So that's basically where it's been going up. So if you follow this here, from yesterday, we had a dip, then it went back up again, now a dip, and then another green candlestick going up. So you don't really want to buy at the peaks. You kind of want to wait. 1 second. All right, guys, so we're back here again. I just kind of want to show you another trade that I got into a little earlier today. You can see this one. If you look at underneath where it says long, underneath the green, 58,800. That's the one I got into. Let's go back. You can even see it at the bottom over here, underneath, like here. If I click on here, let me hit close. No, I don't want to close that. Under at the bottom left where it says position 771, that's the price I got into, 58,002. And you can see towards the top here to the right where it says 57,000. That's what Bitcoin's trading at right now. So I'm kind of in the negative right now, but because I have not, let me click down here again. I'm going to show you. I don't have a take profit over here or a stop loss. I have not put in my trail stop yet, but I will in a little bit. And basically what I want to do is, I don't want to put a take profit, I don't want to put a stop loss, but I'm going to put a trail stop, and I'm going to put a certain amount. So let's say, for example, I bought in at 58,800. Obviously I want it to go above that. So let's say it goes to 59,800, right? So it goes up about like 2%, right? I probably will hit my trail stop probably at around 200. So that way, if it goes to 59,800 and it starts dropping, I don't want to drop all the way back down to 5,800 because I won't make any money. So I'll probably put a $200 trail stop. So if it goes to 59,800, if it goes down to 59,700, I'm still in the game. Then if it bounces back up, and then if it takes off again, let's say it goes to 60,800, I can make another 2% increase. I'll still be in the game. But if it goes at that point, let's say it's 60,900, and if it drops 200, which my trail stop is, then it will cash me out at that point. So that trail stop continues to follow to the peak, but once it goes below 200, then it will cash me out and I'll keep my profits. Again, now this can happen all over the place. This can happen. I mean, you can change this any amount that you want. You can make this 300, you make it 150, you can make it 50, but then you'll get triggered a lot quicker. Obviously, you don't want to make it too big because then you can go below your profits. But anyways, that being said, so I'm probably gonna put this in here at 200 for now. Okay, and we're just gonna wait, and hopefully this will go above the 58,000 mark. Okay, so we'll leave that there for now. You know what? I'm probably gonna. You know what? Let me take this out just because I'm not sure if this goes below 200 at this point. Will I get cashed out? Maybe. So I'm just gonna click back on here and I'm gonna get my stop loss out. Okay. So here we're back here again. So we're just gonna wait because I'm at 57. We're at 57,800, and I'm like 1,000 below that. So you can see my assets are $65. I was about 79 this morning, so I'm down, but I'm still in the game. Hopefully this will go back up. You know how Bitcoin's so volatile; it'll go up like 2,000 just like that. So, anyways, we're waiting there. All right, guys. So if I have any more before I make the video, I'll put it in here. But if not, this is it for today, and we'll just continue moving forward and try to build this up so you can see what my mistakes are and or how I'm profiting, and we'll just go from there. All right, guys, thanks again so much. Have a great day. Oh, also just want to add, if you don't have a Bybit account, you can find the link in my description, and if you use my referral, you get $10, and we get $10, and that helps out the channel. So that's pretty good. You can start with $10. I think you might have to deposit a little bit more, but if you have any questions about this and how, just in case you need to sign up for a VPN, you can find that in the description as well. But if you have any questions regarding this, you can contact me at Bitcoin Kid USA on Instagram. I'll be happy to answer questions there as well. All right, guys. Thanks again.